So I know a lot of you guys were wondering, what is Play Up Your Fashion? Let's get right into it. What is Play Up Your Fashion? Play Up Your Fashion is MIIEN Consultancy style workshop series that highlights different areas of fashion identity to help you position yourself in a successful environment, whether that's personal or professional. Our consultancy focuses on fashion identity and individuality with our services. So it was important to create a special workshop that aligned with our values. Each event caters to a specific concern. For example, February 27th is Dress Your Success in Style. This focus is on helping you dress the part successfully by leveraging your look to add on to your talents and or work portfolio. And for those who are new to us, hello, how you doing? Who are we? We are MIIEN, pronounced MEAN, like MEAN. I will be making a video about what's the distinction very soon. We are a personal style and image consultancy that provides services to movers and shakers, organizations, and fashion brands to help them showcase who they are and what they have to offer without saying a word. Since our expansion in 2023, we're continuing to take strides by evolving into a household name outside these services. What do we do best? Impactful appearances is the name of the game we play. That's why we are you-driven and not trend-driven. It's important to keep up a certain level of originality and prestige for our clients. That's why we offer these services: personal styling, style development, virtual coaching, makeovers, closet audits in organizations, e-commerce styling, and workshops. What are our values? Our values: we're not your typical consultancy. That's why Mikara's approach to styling is by bridging who you are with suitable wear that adds value to you. And by doing so, these are our top 3 core values: communication, confidence, and commitment. Who's Mikara Reid? Mikara Reid, the woman behind the entity MIIEN, has over 15 years of experience in the fashion, retail, and marketing industry, working under prominent brands and companies. You're not just looking at another person that can put fabulous looks together. She is a seasoned and well-rounded fashion professional that sets you up for long-term success with her proprietary method. And lastly, why choose MIIEN? What's so special about this fashion consultancy? How often do you look yourself in the mirror after choosing an outfit and actually say to yourself, well, damn, I look good and feel good? That is the exact expression you will have by the time Mikara Reid is done with you. She mirrors in on helping you discover your fashion identity. She has come to identify it is the core in achieving your personal style goals. And if you didn't know, the additional I in MIIEN is the symbol of individuality. Each attendee for this ticket, Play Up Your Fashion, has an exclusive add-on offer with their tickets. Once you purchase your ticket, you will see the special offer. Can't wait to see you there. See you on February 27th at 6:30 p.m.